welcome to King Brothers channel. Like, share, and subscribe. So, you think, am I the only one in this video? Purely it's like that. But, Jonathan is here. Let's call him, right? Jonathan, where are you? I don't see you. Where are you? Who's that? I see someone. He's running. We had to zoom. I'm not gonna run. Oh, I don't see him. Where are you? Wait, just look. Someone. Oh. What's that? I'm zooming. Wait, he threw at something. Someone's throwing. It's him. Wait, what's that? I see something in his head. Is it blue or purple? Oh my god, what the hell? It's a Nerf dart. Oh my god. Who's that? He's shooting at it. Shooting? Oh my god. I can see you. Come out. So you see, our challenge today is tell it. Nerf challenge. Nerf dart. Nerf gun. Ye Nerf. So let's do. So this, I'll tell you my challenge. The challenge is we're gonna have a Nerf shooting competition. We're not gonna shoot like each other. We're gonna shoot.
Yep, that's a challenge.
So it's a competition. I'll tell you the rules and keep sure watch it because I'll tell all of them. Let's go. King Brothers, let's go. Guys, I'll tell you. So here's the challenge. So Jonathan or me in each round will say here, right? That's place. Give the thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, that's how. So, you see two places. What's the color of these two places? Tell us. Black and white. So, if the dart reaches here, Jonathan will get 10 till this pillar. You see? Jonathan, can you stay there? And where you was first? If a bullet hit right here, he get 10 points. If the bullet crosses this place, he'll get 30 points. So, in a round, he might get varying points. And by the end of the video, there'll be 2 rounds. So by the end of the video, the one who gets most points will get a special trophy. Or the loser gets a punishment.
So, the winner gets nothing, but the loser gets a punishment.
That punishment will be decided by the winner. So, let's start the video. First, let's go to round 1. Do the first challenge. Let's see his sniping levels for round 1. And ready, shoot! So by looking at it, it's 10 points. It's not 30. You got 0. Your bullets are down there. So 0 points for that. He had to get to the black line. Do a nice shot on the 10. You should be a cute boy.
But I did 30 now.
Wait, then whose bullet is that? So Jonathan gets 30 points. I didn't saw that. 2 bullets, that's cool. So let's go. Jonathan, next bullet. Let me just check. Where is it?
So that means 10 points.
Wait, where's it? Yep, it's 10 points. So you got 40 points right now. Last bullet. Where did it fall? I don't see. Oh. 0 points. So you got 40 points for the round 1. So let's see how much you got round 2. So round 2 for Jonathan is going to be ready. There will be 3 rounds. That's a new notice. Sniper Jonathan, be ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot. It 30. Nice. Get it to 100 or. Oh, you got 60 right now. 2 points. Now you got 90. That's cool. Let's get 100. Go to take 10 points. 20. 120. You got a century. So we're in the second round. Another got 120. That's cool. Here I got 30s. Excellent. Let's see the final round for Anna 10. So
points change for this round.
this is, let's check. You got? I don't know. Let's look at round 3. And then be ready for round 3. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot. Where's it going? Oh, a few 30. That's a high 30 of you. Where are you going? I didn't see it. Where's it? 60. 90. If it's this. 120 again. Jonathan's total score. Jonathan got 280 points after 360. That's total for 3 rounds. Good job, Jonathan T. Adityan's game. Yay. Adityan is reloading his, Adityan is getting ready. So we are gonna begin Adityan's game. He's just a loser. He's gonna lose. Adityan, it's round 3. No bad games now. You're gonna be like James Bond. Tom Cruise.
I know this too.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, shoot! It's a 30. Always he's 31st, but I also got 31st in all rounds. Next, it's another 30. Next, probably will be a big one. Oh, it's another 30. Next. Another 30, it's 120. Guys, so I win! Because I got 280 and Adityan's got 270. Now, so his punishment is gonna be down, put your legs straight. Down. Give me that. Okay, so it's a clean belly put. He's gonna have the worst. This is on your lap. I'm gonna sit on him. Just kidding. Before that, I stored arranged some things in the new. Oh, I don't know. Flowers. You need a punishment. Okay, his punishment is gone. So look at his back. Okay, fine. Bye guys, see you later. Guys, we're gonna end this today's video. Before that, we'll tell you Indian cinema fans, part 2 is coming, but it's not Indian cinema only. International movies.
But there's no anime. Okay.
Oh, let's try that. Okay, there's no anime, and also we might take Netflix series, not that animated. Some days I might be dressed up as Netflix.
Darius.
Oh yeah, that's right, Darius. So if you want to watch it, there will be 20 people.
Owen.
O'Grady. O'Grady, now come. Before that, bye bye. You'll see you on Christmas with that video.
And also we had our Pekari trip, and next we are gonna be planning where we go to a trip next.
That will be soon, but till then, Bye. Sayonara. So like, share, subscribe, and watch that video.
Don't forget.
King Brothers. Like, share, and subscribe. Yep.